Guys, this is Flash 360 back with another video. Today we're gonna be playing some Subway Surfers. So let's get into it. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and comment down below what video should we do, and subscribe to MindGamer1911. Let's do it. Hope you guys can see. Noggin. I love saying that. Okay, good. So far, so well, isn't it? Never mind. Sorry about that. I was looking at you guys to see if the camera was on me. Can you guys see what's happening? I hope you can. Sorry if it's recorded really bad. It's on a Samsung. But I'm getting an iPhone 5 soon, so I'll be able to record it much better on that. Anyway, wait. I'm just pausing so I can tell you something. So, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and comment down below what video should we do next. And don't forget to subscribe to MindGamer1911. And sorry if this is a short and bad video. It's raining outside. I would be doing a video on soccer if it wasn't raining, guys. So, yeah. Do you want to see my World Cup ball? I'll be back. You like it? The World Cup ball. Officially mine. Anyway, we're back. Let's get going. Can you guys see well? Yes, you can. Oh yeah, I can do those big jumps. Noing. Noing. Wee, wee, wee. Nah. Like my dude, he's not the best. He's better than nothing. He is the worst, actually, because he's the starting dude. There you go. Anyway, I hope you guys can see well. Oh, I missed that money big time. Oh dear. Oh, that guy's not going to be getting me anytime soon. Oh, that was a very bad one. Anyway. Hope you guys can see. I can't turn back right now to look. I would if I could. Turn. Duck. Duck. Oh no. Can you guys see? Oh, I get money. How much money do I have? Yay. Bye guys. I'm going to get a new dude. Me. No, I don't want to look at ads. Me, look who I'm getting now. Can get someone sick. This guy's awesome. Don't you like this guy? He's one of my favorite. Hope you liked the video, guys. I'm going to do a few more rounds and I'm going to end it. Do you like the dude? I hope you do. Tap to continue. Go home. No, I don't want that. And wait, let's put. Okay, guys, we're in a good position. Let's get going. Can you guys see him well? Yes, you can. You guys are going well. I hope you guys play this game on your phones. A lot of people play it on their phones. It's a pretty good game for when you're bored, isn't it? Noggin. Oh, tea. Give me that tea. Oh, now I missed the box. That sucks. I love those boxes. Anyway, swipe. Oh, that was a great jump. Oh no. Give me all the money. Give me all the money. Can you guys see? Yes, you can. Holy moly. Good job for warning me about that. Yeah. I died. Crap. Peace. Wait, which way am I? Peace. Swag symbol. Let's keep going now. Sorry if you guys can't see me. I'm just trying to... it's sort of hard to see me while I do this, actually. It's really hard to do because I'm not a master at YouTubing yet, so it won't be too hard. It'll be a little hard because I don't have multiple cameras and stuff filming me all at the same time and stuff to see my body. But if I did, that would be sick. Anyway, now back to doing this. I'm just gonna get my monies. Getting all my money. Boing. Oh dear, that didn't work. Oh no, that was a tragic fail. Okay guys, I'm gonna leave the video there. Hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to subscribe and like it. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And comment down below what video should we do next. Don't forget to subscribe to MindGamer191 and like his videos. Subscribe to my channel, Flash360, which you're watching right now. Leave a like and comment down below what video should we do next. Peace, guys.